Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the biggest off campus hiring drive for the software development engineer, that is SDE roles, from the Dare to Complete, that is D2C recruitables. This is going to be a very biggest off campus drive for the fresher candidates. Okay, so today is the last day to apply. Okay, you can get salary up to 32 lakhs per annum and stipend, that means internship stipend, up to 90,000 per month. Okay, registration deadline is today, that is 17th of September, till 11:59 p.m. as per India Standard Time. You can register. Okay, so today is the last date. Individual participation. Okay, you can check here, 13 hours left. Free registration, no need to pay anything. D2C recruitables off campus hiring drive for the software development engineer roles through Dare to Compete. Okay, so like the hiring dates are 26th August 2021 till 1st of August 2021. Okay, between this range, all the companies will hire. What is the eligibility criteria? Engineering students, postgraduate, undergraduate, as well as corporate candidates are eligible to apply. Okay, then you can check here participating companies in this off-campus drive through D2C recruitables: Intuit, Walmart, Optum, Myntra, then Tata Classage, JustPay, ID5, YOLO, then Country Delight, then Travel Triangle. You can check here, view all. If I click on view all, you can see all these companies are hiring. They are providing a very good package. Let me show you. Intuit 28 to 32 LPA, batch 2020 can apply. For this, Walmart CTC is 20 LPA to 24 LPA, batch 2022 eligible. For Optum, 11 LPA to 13 LPA, batches 2020, 2021 and 2022. For Myntra, 2019 and 2020 salary will be 18 to 21 LPA. You can see the packages are very high and good. You should have minimum pass out year 2019. You can check here, minimum 2019 pass out year is given. For Intuit to 2023 stipend 80,000 per month. Okay, so multiple companies are hiring. 2019 skips 6 to 8 LPA, 19, 20, 21, 22. Then London Club 2022 full time, 2023 internship. uh, there are multiple companies are hiring. Okay, so how this process is going to be: D2C recruitables off campus drive hiring for software development engineer roles, stages and timelines. There will be general aptitude assessment. This MCQ assessment will test you on your general aptitude, logical reasoning, critical thinking and quantitative aptitude. This forms the base for a good software developer. Take this assessment to see if you have everything you need to get your dream job. Get set and attempt 25 questions in 30 minutes. Okay, and this test will be conducted tomorrow, that is 18 September, from 10 a.m. to 19 September 11:59 p.m. Okay, so then after that, evaluation on computer science fundamentals. This assessment will be an MCQ challenge that will test you on your computer science fundamentals. This forms the base for any software developer. Take this quiz to see if you have everything to get your dream job. Get set and attempt 25 questions in 30 minutes. Okay, after your general aptitude test, after this test you will have computer science fundamental test having 25 question in 30 minutes. This test will be from 18 September to 19 September itself. Then after that, verbal ability and soft skills. You need to solve these questions within 30 minutes. Okay, and the same date, 18 September to 19 of September. After that, elementary online coding assessment. This assessment will test you on the basic logical coding problems and advanced data structure and algorithmic problem. Some companies need this test to check how strong you are on your coding skills. and this online coding assessment will be conducted on 18 September to 19 September. After that, interview with your dream company. Based on your performance in the above four assessment, companies will shortlist you for the interview. The timelines and other details will be communicated to the shortlisted candidates through mail. One last round and the job in yours. Impress your interviewer and show them that you are the right person for the job. Okay, all that you need to know about D2C recruitables off campus drive for fresher software development engineer role. Okay, D2C believes in democratizing the hiring process. No matter which college you come from and which city you come from, you should have access to all the opportunities from the companies that hire the best and provide one of the best salaries and culture to excel in the job. With this mind, dare to compete presents the opportunity of a lifetime with D2C recruitables, the off-campus hiring drive for SDE roles across some of the big companies like Intuit, Walmart, Myntra, Justpay, Tata Classage, and 20 more companies as well. So how you can participate? It's simple. You just need to do the following: register and complete your application form. It takes a maximum of 5 minutes. Take all four assessment to get assisted on some key and relevant skills. You need to take up each assessment in one sitting. Okay, please remember this point. You need to take up each assessment in one sitting. That is, when you start any particular assessment, you need to complete that in one sitting. However, you can have gaps between all these four assessment. That means first, your general aptitude and logical reasoning MCQ test will be done. After that, basic programming and fundamental MCQ test will be done. Your verbal ability assessment will be done. Then after that, elementary online coding assessment to test your algorithm. 2 to 3 online coding problems will be provided minimum. If you execute minimum one coding problem, then you will get shortlisted. Okay, don't worry about that interview. I will tell you the interview process as well. Based on your assessment, you will get a section wise score and ranking on the D2C recruitables leaderboard. This will be valid for 6 months. Based on your score, companies will shortlist you for their job profiles and interview with you. This will be a rolling process and companies may invite you for the interview anytime post your assessment within the next 6 months. Your score will be valid for 6 months. Whenever you will apply through D2C compete website for any company, your score will get checked. Okay, and based on your score you can give interview. So for the next 6 months, don't worry, you will get a job. That's it. Based on your score, companies will shortlist you and call for interview. Please note that companies will shortlist you based on D2C recruitable score as the base, along with the few other parameters like but not limited to graduation, post graduation degree, academic score, passing year of the batch, work experience, gender. The higher the score, the better chances of getting your job. Okay, if your score are more, then there are the better chances of getting a dream job. How do I access the assessment? You just need to register for this opportunity and take the assessment. Some important points are mentioned below. All the assessment will happen on this page itself. You will see verify button once the assessment are activated. Assessment will be activated on 18 September 10 a.m. onwards until the closure of assessment window, that is 19th of September. You can take all four assessment anytime during assessment window. You can take breaks between two assessment. However, once you start one assessment, you need to complete it within the time duration of the assessment in a single sitting. Please keep in mind that you can take these assessment only from your laptop with a web camera. Okay, all assessments are proctored and timed. Your face will be verified at the start of each assessment and will be validated during the same assessment. Am I eligible? If you are looking for a software development engineer or equivalent roles, decent salaries and amazing companies, then this is what you need. Student looking for their first dream job or internship that may get them pre-placement offer. After once you complete your internship, you will also get a chance for the PPO, that is pre-placement offer. Pursuing a full-time BE, BTech, ME, MTech or MCA, batch 2022 and 2023, fresher and work experience candidate looking for their first job or a new job. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA degree, 0 to 2 years of experience, and batch 2021, 2020 and 2019. Please note that all participating companies will have different eligibility requirement based on which they will shortlist candidate, like but not limited to graduation, post graduation degree, academic score, passing year of batch, work experience, gender, etc. For example, some may recruit only 2022 and 2023, while other may recruit 2021 and 2020. Some companies may recruit MCA or MTech, while others may only recruit BE, BTech. Some may have minimum recruitment of 50 percentage in 10th and 12th, while others may have at least 60 percentage. Some may prefer diversity, while others might be open to all. Okay, so Instagram live session on cracking D2C recruitable and company interviews. Okay, with more than 1 lakh registration, D2C recruitable is one of the largest off-campus drive. Many students wanted to know more about what it takes to excel, so we present a live session. Okay, this is the CEO of these D2C recruitables, Mr. Ankit Agarwal, and they are providing a very good opportunity for the fresher candidates. So dear candidates, please don't miss this chance. Please register on this site, get ready with your questions and put your worries. The session will be conducted on 17th of September, that means today at 6 p.m, where D2C Instagram channel at Dare to Compete. You can follow this on Instagram. This is the link, and sample questions and mock test. This is the mock test link. These are the sample questions. Okay, so what are the important date and deadlines? 17th September is the last date to register. On 18th September there will be assessment start, and on 19th September assessment will end. Okay, if you have any questions you can mail. If you face any technical issue, then you can mail to this mail ID. Okay, frequently asked questions. Can I appear in more than one company hiring process? Yes. Once you take the assessment, multiple companies will be able to shortlist you for their interviews as per the requirement and your score. Can I get selected in more than one company? Yes, you may be selected by multiple companies based on their requirements and your D2C recruitable score. How much time will it take to do the assessment? All 4 assessments are different with different timeline. You may take the assessment anytime during the assessment window mentioned under the rounds section of this page itself. You may take breaks between different assessment. However, if you start the assessment, you need to complete that assessment in one sitting. Will the interviews be person or online? Mostly they will be virtual right now. However, it depends on the hiring company as to how they would like to do the interviews. It may be on the ground in person as well. After this D2C recruitable assessment, do I have to give any other test? You may be required to give assessment only if the hiring company wants to evaluate you on a certain other key skills that are required to excel in their job profile. May companies will directly call you if you get shortlisted. However, some may ask you to take up additional assessment as well. Once I have taken test, can I improve my score? You won't be able to improve your score once the assessment is taken. Okay, and there are multiple questions are available as well. Okay, so multiple companies are hiring. This D2C recruitables is providing like great very great opportunity for all the fresher as well as one two up to 2 years of experienced candidates. So dear students, please apply for this drive, please register, and yeah, thanks for watching this video. I will provide this link in the description box.